Stop struggling with your truck's Bluetooth. Do this simple fix instead. Let's get your music and calls back on track. First, check if your phone's Bluetooth is actually on. Sometimes it's just a simple toggle. Still nothing? Go to your Chevy's touchscreen, tap phone, then pair device. If your phone doesn't show up, turn Bluetooth off and back on again, both on your phone and the truck. Next, delete your phone from the truck's paired list and remove the truck from your phone's Bluetooth memory. Then, restart your phone and your Chevy. Try pairing again. If it still won't connect, check for software updates on your phone and your truck's infotainment system. Updates fix a lot of glitches. Still stuck? Sometimes interference from other devices causes trouble. Try turning off other Bluetooth devices nearby. And if nothing else works, it might be time to visit your local Chevy dealer. Sometimes a quick dealer reset is all you need. Don't let Bluetooth bugs drive you crazy. Fix it fast and get back on the road.